By the end of this video, you will know how to verify your identity in TurboTax. If you are already signed into TurboTax, begin from inside your account, look to the left-hand menu, and click Sign Out. This takes you back to the sign-in area, so you can start the identity check from the correct screen. If the page takes a moment to update, wait until the TurboTax sign-in screen is fully visible before moving on. On the sign-in screen, you will see the account options available to you. Select the account you want to access. Make sure you choose the correct account before continuing, especially if more than one account appears on the screen. Once you select it, TurboTax will move you to the Enter Your Intuit Password screen. On that password screen, do not enter your password. Instead, click Forgot Password. This opens the recovery and verification flow that TurboTax uses to confirm that the account belongs to you. After you click it, the next screen should say Verify It Is You. On the Verify It Is You screen, choose how you want to verify your identity. For this process, select the option to receive a code by text message. You should see Text a Code as one of the available choices. Select that option so TurboTax can send a verification code to the phone number linked to your account. After you choose Text a Code, TurboTax will send a code through Intuit to the phone number associated with your account. At this point, pick up your phone and check for the message. If it does not appear immediately, give it a brief moment and then look again. Stay on the verification screen while you wait so you are ready to enter the code as soon as it arrives. Once you receive the text message, find the verification code in the message and return to TurboTax. Enter the code exactly as it appears when prompted. Be careful to type the full code into the correct field before continuing. After that, continue to the next screen so TurboTax can verify the code. When the code is accepted, TurboTax confirms your identity and allows you to continue accessing your account. If the site needs a moment to process the request, wait for the confirmation to appear before moving forward. At that point, the identity check is complete and your account access is restored. Thanks for watching. Your identity is now verified in TurboTax, and you can continue accessing your account.